Bayside Marketplace, Miami. And that's where the Miami Heat plays basketball. They call this the Freedom Tower. When a number of the Cubans came from Cuba doing the Maria boat lift, they were processed there. They considered that to be their, quote, Ellis Island. So, as I pan, we have the cruise port of Miami here. And here's going to be the entrance to Bayside Marketplace. This is Biscayne Boulevard. And we will go inside. GoPro stop capture.